True, I'm salty. Kasi I sweat eh. There's a lot sweat on my back. Told you. Diba? So salty. Bro, it's hot. Oo nga, kahit daw sa Davao at Mabs, malamang isa-isa lang yung buwan sa Pilipinas. Grabe, naka-black t-shirt pa jud ko. Kapay nag-English, ay. Gani. Sa Manila, manggod gaulan. Hello, Majinbu, Japan. Hoy, Alex, kumusta na, Alex? Hello, Grabe naman yung pagka-salty. Grabe. Tama natin, ma'am. Sayang yung Diba? Salty. Ano lang, Jod? Na lang, Jod. Oo, maligo gani ko balik ron kay grabe akong pawis. Naka-black t-shirt pa, Jud. Oh, Ate Love is laughing also. Yes, guys, I'm so salty. Night time dili salty na most of the time pud salty. Ay, nako. Ilang taon na si ate ko na, Ate Mabs? Igo sa ko eh. Okay, Ate Mabs. Bye-bye. Thank you. Kahit salty. Kahit sa paka-salty ko. Ay, tuwing. Wala, bata pa din ni ate ko na. Ay, very young. Oh, my igang. Grabe. Hindi ko na kaya. Kunin ko na yung clip fan. I'm gonna get my clip fan na. Hindi bitaw ko sure. Alo! Ate ni mo, tapos wala ka kabalo. Rommel Fox. Thank you ulit, Ate Mabs. Ate Love, thank you. You also gave a food box, Ate Love, kasi there's a one in your down to your hello, I'm so salty. Ate Love, I thought you are ba? I thought you are you are Filipina. It's not pala. Grabe, it's so hot here. I don't know why. Malamang init. Ay, you are? I think you're a foreigner. I'm naguguluhan na ako, nalilito ako. But, okay. But where are you from? Okay. But where do you live now, Ate Love? Where did you, now? I must be crazy now. Double down, hello. Maybe I dream too much. Hello, Double Down. How are you? And where are you from, Double Down? Hello, Rose. Ate, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing, Ate Love? To whisper in your ears. I'm good. Oh, that's good. Tacoma? Where's the Tacoma? Where are you from, guys? Rose and Double Down? To whisper in your ears. Alex Pam, hello. Near Cebu. Okay po. You know how to speak Bisaya, Ate Love? Only English? But how about Tagalog? How about Tagalog?